We don't watch rugby in South Africa. We supervise it. The moment the whistle blows, my man, every lounge in SA's got 7 qualified referees, 3 tactical analysts, and an uncle who I believe main purpose in life is to shout offside, even though everybody can see the same screen. Everybody's looking at the same TV. The real referee is on the field with cameras and microphones and assistants. But somehow your cousin without shoes in the kitchen, right, it's got a better angle. This is also the cousin that if it wasn't for his knee operation that he had to get him a trick, would have probably played for the Springboks. You always hear that. And you always get the man of the house who pauses for the replay, okay, trying to explain the law to everybody else who knows the law, but the oaks arguing like he's in front of a jury presenting evidence for why World Rugby is corrupt. You see, here in SA, how it works is your knowledge about rugby increases with the distance you are from the field. Over here, we can't just respect the box, we gotta respect the couch officials as well. Be blessed.